Hey, good morning, Rembo here, and welcome to my channel. I am commuting this morning to work. I'm taking a bit of a different route, and that's because I need fuel, as you can see. And I'm actually going to be riding near the spot where I was hit by the F-150 pickup truck when they missed their turn and backed up into me. I was actually following behind him, just like I'm following behind this car, except picture that being a white F-150 pickup truck, no rush, going slow, 30 some miles an hour. And what happened was they missed the entrance. See where this guy's going? Well, he's not going there. So what basically happened, and I'm just ranting a little this morning, he missed this turn right here. He found himself in front of the out. That's the out. And never looked behind him, slammed it in reverse, just gunned it, and just hammered into me. So that's where I was hit, if anyone is curious or even cares. But anyway, gotta go get some gas, and everyone knows that I keep track of my fuel on this at all times. So I'm going to show you what I do at the gas station and how simple it is, especially when you have, I use Google Docs, so it's always accessible all the time, and I just created a little spreadsheet, and that's pretty much it. I think it works rather well, if you ask me. It's a little bit slick out this morning. Rain shower just moved through, but it's Florida, so this is normal. We have all kind of rain showers coming through, and especially as we go into the summertime. In the afternoon, you're guaranteed some sort of a thunderstorm. So if you see what I'm doing here, I'm lined up to the left of a vehicle. I'm keeping an eye in my rear view mirrors, and if I see someone approaching fast, I'll just put it in first gear like that and take off. But I'm not comfortable at a light until there's usually about 2 cars stacked behind me. Then I feel there's a bit of a buffer there. All right, so we're good. So let's head to Costco. Let's put some gas in and enter everything into my system, and hopefully, all right, I see you there, and hopefully there won't be a long line at Costco, because they just opened up about 20 minutes ago. Usually there's always a long line at Costco for gas. I do get a lot of gas from Costco, but I don't always get my gas from Costco. I guess that's the best way to put it. On the road a lot. I do use Shell. Also is another one that I use. But let's just keep going, and I'll just bore the hell out of you so you can watch me pump gas, which is kind of anticlimactic here. Alright, well, let's see what this van is doing. The van is definitely has a mission here, so I'm gonna stay behind it a little bit, and I'm gonna be making a left anyway. There's the entrance to Costco, but I don't want to wait at the light. There's a second entrance up here. So I'll just stay a little bit behind this van and make my left here. Well, that's where I'm going. How convenient, huh? All right, let's see what the line looks. Oh, no lines. Perfect. Life is good. Yeah, the morning seems like the best time to stop for gas. It really does. It just seems like the morning is the best bet. Okie dokie. Well, I will go here. You're gonna go there. I'm gonna go here. Perfect. Lots of room for everyone. So sometimes I'll put it up on the center stand so that the bike is level when I fill it, but most of the time I don't. So when it's at an angle like this, you may not get the full tank that you expect, but it fills it plenty enough, because we don't want to overfill these bikes. So I also don't want to lose my connection, so I'll leave the bike turned on, just the engine off. So I have a Google Drive. I have the Multistrada in there. I just enter my numbers when I'm ready. Alright, so this time 4.463. No one's in line, so I'll take the time to do it here. So all I do is put in 4.463, then put my miles in, 17,417, 17,417, enter. I've been really averaging about 29 miles to the gallon to the last 3 fill-ups, which it's because I've been doing a lot of city riding, which is the case. And you're done, and that's it, and life is good. Yeah, one more thing I'll do is I will then go down to my trip 1, reset the trip info, and I'm good. And that's it. That easy, that simple. Time to make the donuts. Well, I'm hoping things are going to dry out a little bit better here, so I can be a little more aggressive on the throttle. It seems like things are really starting to dry out. I think that 95 should be in good shape by now, and the off-ramp. But if there's a lot of traffic going south, and there typically is, then I'm not going to get to do the off-ramp at the speed that I like to do the off-ramp for some fun. See? Wow, that was good. Hey, nice guy. Whoa! Set the next ones in place. Awesome. They finally got the new ones. That's one of my shortcuts to go home, and it's been out of commission for a while now. They're rebuilding that bridge. South Florida traffic. South Florida traffic. Yeah, no fun today. No fun today I'm not even going to take it today. That's normally where I go. That's the nice little loop. It's got some nice curves, but everybody's going slow, so I will just pass and take an alternative route to work. Alright, so once again, lined up to shoot between these two. The car that's coming behind me is really slow. I tap my brakes like this so that they know I'm here. This guy's looking to the side. Alright, but I'll keep it in first because it's a small car. If somebody comes around that corner fast and hits him, he's just going to bail right into me, you know? So not much I can do about that. I will tell you, this is extremely slick. This is like really slick. It just rained and all the oils are pushed to the surface. It wasn't enough of a rain to wash things off, so it's kind of the worst case scenario for the roads right now. It is extremely slick, so I'm going to be easy on the throttle because this thing has enough torque on the lower end to cause some havoc. And the same thing, keeping an eye behind me, flashing the brake lights so that they know I'm here. Alright, and that's about it. Alright, we got 2 cars stacked up behind me, so I'm a little more comfortable now. So this is the part about riding a motorcycle. You're just always on the defense. I mean, yeah, when we get aggressive on the throttle, we're a little more on the offense, I guess you can say, if there's really such a thing. But you have to be extremely defensive when you're riding a motorcycle and have yourself in a position that you can escape quickly. And unfortunately, both times that I was hit in 2021, there was no escape path. It was just completely well, all accidents are unexpected, but this was just a situation where there was no escape path. When someone comes at you head on and you're sitting still in a median, it's not a good situation. All right, what do we got here? Oh, we got ourselves a green. Make sure he's going to stay where he's supposed to be. Again, we're just always defensive. Now listen, I am not a instructor. I'm just a regular rider, and I'm just talking about riding defensively, especially in situation where you have kind of slick roads. As a matter of fact, they're very slick right now. Now I'll line myself up on that part. Oh wow, look at this. Life is good. Wow, LG, man, life's good. Look ahead. All right, still clear. And here's a morning view for you on the way to work. Another view for you. How do you like that one, huh? Pretty. Oh, a little windy out there. See, the surf is up. As soon as I hit the brakes, I'm always looking behind me. Even in a car, I do the same thing. 16 miles an hour. Why waste a first gear, right? Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Policeman. Always be nice to your local policemans, because mans is the plural of man in my world. You could tell it's morning and I'm getting hungry.